Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. In this video I'm going to talk about equations and variables. In the presentation I'll have the following outline. First I'm going to talk about equations, then I'm going to talk about variables, then I'm going to piece the two together and explain what the storyline of an equation is, and then I'll summarize the whole presentation. So let's get started. Equations are mathematical statements which indicate how different variables are related. And these variables could actually represent real-life systems or events. Equations can be expressed in either absolute terms or in differential terms. And in absolute terms, equations express the direct relationships between different variables. In differential terms, equations express the relationships between changes in different variables. Variables are quantities used in equations to express relationships, and these relationships generally tell the story of what the equation actually means. Variables are usually alphabetical or expressed in alphabetical terms and may represent real-life quantities or events. Generally, there are two main groups of variables in an equation, and these are independent variables, and then we also have dependent variables. So what's the storyline? Every equation tells the story of how different variables or elements in nature or in the world are related to each other. And these relationships are meant to give us insight into how things generally work in the world. The insight provided by equations give us human beings the ability to predict the behaviors of various natural and man-made systems. And even more important is the ability to use equations to predict the future. And without equations, mankind will be technically blind. So in summary, equations basically tell us how different variables are related. And these variables are usually alphabetical and may be used to represent real-life items or events within nature. The relationships described by equations give us the insight into how things generally work in the world. The understanding of how things work gives us the ability to predict the behaviors of various natural and man-made systems. The prediction of the future or future events is also possible with equations. At this point, I'd like to thank you for making time to watch my presentation. Please like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.